Hello, let's learn some colors. Red color, orange color, pink color, brown color, green color, sky blue color, forest green color, purple color, yellow green color, deep yellow color. Let's draw some 2D shapes. Triangle, hexagon, star, trapezoid, heart, square, triangle, hexagon, star, trapezoid, heart, square. Yellow green color, orange vermilion color, warm grey color, brick brown color, Indian blue color, vivid purple color, yellow green triangle, French vermilion hexagon, warm grey star, brick brown trapezoid, Indian blue heart, vivid purple square. See you next video. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.